Alright, we're rolling. Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the FBC Severe Weather Outlook YouTube channel. It is Sunday, June the 7th, 2026. It's currently 1:12 in the morning. And today we have the day one outlook for severe weather for the United States. And let's get started here, shall we? So, for today's severe weather outlook threat for the United States, we have a level 3 out of a 5 all the way up in the North Dakota, the South Dakota, parts of Montana, and Wyoming. And then the level 2 threat is for South Dakota, North Dakota, or I mean South Dakota and North Dakota, Wyoming, and portion of Montana. And then up next we have a level 1 for parts of Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, parts of Kentucky, Tennessee, and Arkansas and Oklahoma, and then Virginia and of course part of the Carolinas. I mean North Carolina, I'd say. So that is what we're looking at for today's outlook. Then up next we have the potential threat for tornadoes. Tornado for today. We have a level two. We have a level. We have a 2% chance for tornadoes today, Ollie, for the for parts of North Dakota, into South Dakota, and parts of Montana and Wyoming, and a little bit of Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas, and of course Oklahoma. And those areas are going to be Tulsa, Oklahoma, Springfield, Missouri, Brook Arrow, Oklahoma, Fort Mitt, Arkansas, and Threadville, Arkansas are all in the 2% area. And then up next we have the wind graphic. We have a 30% chance. We have a 30% chance for the wind today. We do have a CIG1, which is kind of weird to say. And those areas are going to be Bismarck, North Dakota, Martin, North Dakota, Mandan, North Dakota, Dickerson, North Dakota, and then Fish, South Dakota. And then in the 30% is all the exact same are the same areas in South Dakota and North Dakota. And then in the 15% we have Rapid City, South Dakota, Glendenton, Wyoming, Jamestown, North Dakota, Pierre, South Dakota, and Rapid Valley, South Dakota. And then in the 5% we have Memphis, Tennessee, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norfolk, Virginia, and then Chesapeake, Virginia. Then finally, we have the hail graphic. We have the hail graphic for today. We have another CIG1 for the same areas that are in the wind threat. 15% today for Rapid City, South Dakota, Bismarck, North Dakota, Menton, North Dakota, Glendenton, Wyoming, and then Minden, North Dakota. And finally, 5% today for Grand Fork, North Dakota, Anderson, South Dakota, Wet Fargo, North Dakota, Sheridan, Wyoming, and then Scott Bluff, Nebraska. This is all what it says for the severe weather threat for today. if you all want to read this, feel free to pause the video to if you want to read it or all of that. So anywho, that is a look here at today's day one severe weather outlook threat for the United States. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. And if you are not a YouTube subscriber to the SBC Severe Weather Outlook channel, feel free to hit the like button and make sure you do subscribe and come back next time because we did just get the day two outlook for today. I should say tomorrow, but I will be back. I will be back later today for the day two severe weather outlook threat. So stay tuned for another episode of severe weather outlooks. Well, until next time, this is SBC Severe Weather Outlook right here on YouTube, signing off.